Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens. Today, we're unlocking smart ways to create more storage in your home without sacrificing style. Let's dive in. Start by looking up. Walls aren't just for art. Tall shelves, floating cabinets, and wall-mounted storage turn empty space into instant organization. Your items stay tidy and your rooms look modern and open. Next, don't forget underbed storage. Drawers, rolling bins, or custom compartments hide seasonal clothes, toys, or linens. Combine that with multifunctional furniture, sofas, ottomans, even beds with built-in storage, and suddenly every piece in your home has a purpose. Closets can work harder too. Double rods, pull-out drawers, and tiered shelves expand capacity in seconds. Kitchens? Think pull-out racks, drawer dividers, and magnetic spice strips. Everything organized, countertops clear. Bathrooms and small spaces get a boost with under-sink organizers, tiered shelves, and corner units. Entryways and mudrooms, benches with cubbies, hooks, and shoe racks keep everything in check. No more cluttered floors. Hidden storage is the secret trick. Stairs, window seats, and even ceiling racks hold items out of sight, keeping your home sleek and functional. And don't underestimate decluttering. Sometimes the best storage is simply letting go of what you don't need. Even the smallest corners matter. Rotating racks, corner shelves, or wall-mounted units transform awkward spaces into clever storage zones. And the attic or garage, ceiling racks, and modular shelves keep your rarely used items safe and organized. At Modern Homes and Gardens, we believe storage isn't just practical, it's stylish. A well-planned home feels open, inviting, and effortless. Use these tips to maximize space, stay organized, and make your home work for you. Remember, every inch counts. Walls, floors, ceilings, even stairs, all can become storage gold. Follow Modern Homes and Gardens for more tips to transform your home into a beautifully organized space.